Good day, good night, good afternoon, whatever time you see this. I don't have too much time because time is money. I'm trying to get more money, get more riches, be more wealthy. What do you want in your life? Do you want to sit down and be broke all day, all night? Well, if you want to make money, be a billionaire, a millionaire, be rich, do what you want to do, go on private jets, yachts, private beaches, eat the best food, have the finest women, drive the best cars. Subscribe because you're going to love this. Right now, you want to be a billionaire, a millionaire in 2021. You got to find something that you got passion in, stick to it, work real hard. Right now, if you're a sleeper, you don't like to work hard, you might want to come off this video right now because it's no sleep involved in this. You got to work 24/7. You got to be willing to sacrifice your time, your energy, everything. Sacrifice not seeing your family, not being around your family for days, sometimes weeks, months. It depends on what you're doing. Find something, do it today. Make this money, change your life, change your family life. Be a millionaire, be famous, whatever you want to do. If famous is your thing, you could do that too. But right now, I'm trying to teach you how to be a millionaire in 2021. This is what I want you to do. Start saving today. Whatever your habits is, cut it, drop it now. You got friends that all they want is your money, drop them now. Anything you think taking extra money and extra time, stop, drop it now. Think about making more money. Keep money in your mind, keep money in your eyes. Everything around me is a potential about making money. If I buy my car for 20,000, I should be able to flip it. Think about making more money. Spend less, make more money. Say that. Spend less, make more money. Save more money. This is the only way you're gonna have something. You gotta be real fortunate these days to be a lottery winner. So think about it. Ain't too many people gonna be a lottery winner. So you gotta work hard. And if you're even working real hard, it's hard to be rich. So you wanna be a millionaire? You gotta grind. You gotta come up with something. Make your own product and be positive about it. And be in the right lane. Do the right things, and you will get the right results. I promise you, you will be a millionaire by the end of this year if you follow my steps. Okay? Trust me. Trust me. Believe in this message that I'm giving you right now, and you're going to be famous in whatever you want to do. You will make it. Say it with me. I will make it. I will make it. I can do it. They can't do nothing I can't do. Say that with me. Put that in your mind. Put that in existence. Then you could do it. You could have $1 million in your account as soon as 1 month if you put your mind to it. Stop telling yourself you're going to be broke for the rest of your life. Stop telling yourself you can't get it. So many ways to make this money online. There's so many ways, so many avenues, so many sites. You could make money from passive income. You know what I mean? Affiliate marketing. So many things you could do today. Real estate, car dealerships. You could be a handyman, a delivery man. You could do so many things. So I'm going to teach you how to get this money, stack your money, keep your money, invest your money, get more money, stack more money, be rich, be a millionaire. 2021. This should be a year. Don't let this year go by and you don't have an account with at least 6 figures. So think about that. How to become a millionaire in 2021.